Hello. Today I'm joined with Dr. Sweetman, and we're going to be talking over the questions of global warming and ocean acidification. So, Ian, if I can call you that, what is the greenhouse effect, and how does it affect our planets?
The greenhouse effect is an effect where solar radiation from the sun is transmitted in waves which move through Earth's atmosphere and then are reflected off Earth's atmosphere as long-wave radiation. This long-wave radiation is reflected by the molecules of hydrogen, methane and nitrous oxide in Earth's atmosphere, and that means that they go back towards Earth and keep on rebounding, causing Earth, which means there's more heat in Earth, causing Earth's heat to rise.
And how long has the greenhouse effect existed for?
It's existed since the dawn of Earth, pretty much, because as long as there has been an atmosphere, this effect can happen.
So I hear of many people talking about a thing called the enhanced greenhouse effect. What is that? Is that anything that we should be worried about?
Yes, we should be worried about the enhanced greenhouse effect. The enhanced greenhouse effect has been happening since the Industrial Revolution. When
How does the Industrial Revolution affect this? Like, how does the Industrial Revolution make the enhanced greenhouse effect?
the Industrial Revolution caused a lot more factories to appear, and factories generally use coal. Generally use coal as fuel to power electricity and other.
So what's in the coal that makes it? What's in the coal?
Coal is fossilized.
Do you mind? So, Ian, what is the enhanced greenhouse effect?
The enhanced greenhouse effect has been happening since the Industrial Revolution. In the Industrial Revolution, a lot more factories were created, and all these factories are powered by electricity. And this electricity is created using coal. They burn coal and other fossil fuels to create steam, which then spins a wheel inside the factory, which creates kinetic energy, which they then transmit into electricity. So, during the Industrial Revolution, they started digging up heaps and heaps of coal.
Okay, so what's in this coal?
And the coal is actually fossilized carbon. So basically it's stored carbon dioxide.
Okay.
And this carbon dioxide is bad because when they burn this coal, they release the carbon dioxide, which goes into the atmosphere, and that increases the amount of what they call greenhouse gases, and that enhances the greenhouse effect. So basically it makes it more powerful. So It heats up Earth faster, and yeah.
Okay, thank you. So, what causes ocean acidification?
The cause of ocean acidification is the enhanced greenhouse effect. The enhanced greenhouse effect means there's higher levels of carbon dioxide in the air. And because the ocean absorbs the carbon dioxide from the air, absorbs a high percentage, over a quarter of it, because there's more carbon dioxide in the air, it means there's more carbon dioxide in the sea as well. And because there's more carbon dioxide in the sea, there's more when the carbon dioxide in the sea bonds with the water to create carbonic acid, which releases H+ ions, which cause acidity. So they lower the pH of the ocean. And
so, what is your opinion on ocean acidification and stopping it?
well, ocean acidification is just a major problem to humanity. It needs to stop because of the fact that it causes there to be less food, meaning people will die. We need to stop it right now because otherwise people will die, and how we will stop it is by slowing the enhanced greenhouse effect. We can slow the enhanced greenhouse effect
How do we do that?
we can do that by decreasing the amount of fossil fuels we are burning, because they are the main cause. They are the main cause of the increased amounts of carbon dioxide, which is the greatest greenhouse gas there is, and the highest levels by far. We also can slow it if we switch cars, if we switch automobile power, because automobiles cause a third of the creation of carbon dioxide, and also if we make our farming more healthy for the planet. The ways we can do this is we could switch automobile power all to electric power and make sure all electric power doesn't use fossil fuels, because we can use renewable energy sources such as hydropower, tidal power, solar power, wind turbines causing wind power. All of these can be used to create electricity, and they all are renewable and can be done in the long run with no major consequences.
So can I ask you one more question?
And also, we can stop the farming, because the way we can slow farming is by not using fertilizers which bring nitrogen from the atmosphere to the